Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic today is Sterilization Revalidation. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Check out the status bar below for our agenda. Stick around to the end for our bonus questions. Our topic, Sterilization Revalidation, is covered by 1345 sections 7.5.6 and 7.5.7. Sterilization Revalidation in 5 words. Sterilization processes require revalidation schedules. Every sterilization process has to be revalidated according to an established frequency. A lot of these frequencies will be annually, or if there's some other frequency, it would be captured in a corresponding guidance document or ISO standard. The sterilization revalidation is not considered complete until the final report for that revalidation is signed off, and that needs to happen before the due date. When you have multiple sterilization cycles, you may need to group these cycles into families. I've worked at companies where you can have 10, 15, maybe even more than that sterilization cycles, and you will group these cycles into families based on similar characteristics. The time, the pressure, the temperature. You will compare all of these different items and then you will group them into families. Once you have them grouped into families, you need to document the rationale for why these sterilization processes are grouped together and why they are all considered equivalent and or similar. At this point, once they're in a family, you can do a revalidation for one of the sterilization processes in that family, and it will cover all of the other processes in that family. Some revalidation processes will require partial runs or fractional runs. It just depends on the process itself and what language is outlined within the corresponding ISO standard. All revalidation activities have to be documented and captured in the quality management system and executed on a defined frequency. So how do I know this is working? First, I have established frequencies for my revalidation. And where required, I revalidate my sterilization processes annually. Second, if I utilize any families of sterilization cycles, the rationale for those families is documented as captured. And then finally, I make sure that my final reports for my sterilization revalidation, they are signed before the due date. How do I know it's not working? Well, I'm not revalidating my processes according to my established requirements. Second, I don't have any documented rationales for grouping sterilization processes together into families. And then finally, my sterilization revalidation reports, they're not signed by the due date. And then if any sterilization revalidation activities go overdue, they're not escalated appropriately and not addressed. And now for the 3 bonus questions. Do we have a process that requires escalation of the revalidation of sterilization processes if they're not done by the due date? If yes, can you show me in the procedure where that's captured? Second, do we have any sterilization processes that are grouped into families? If yes, please give me those processes. And then finally, where would I capture and document the rationale for why I chose to group specific sterilization processes into families? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Send any questions to me at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained, making quality systems simple for you.